Welcome to DasCafe, and I'm Das, and at DasCafe we serve good living, and that is helping you to have better eating choices, keeping your body strong, to reduce the chances of disease, and even emotional and spiritual well-being. And I post shows Mondays and Wednesdays, usually between 1 and 2 o'clock. Some of the shows that I have ahead will be a lot of cooking programs, but also I will be doing some shows that are geared toward talking about disease. But I want you to be a part of the community, and please subscribe. Okay, we're getting ready for the cold season, and I got a concoction for you that is a winner, and it can help boost your immune system, and that's what's important, so that we're not picking up every cold, every flu, every other virus that's out there to get us. So I'm going with 2-2-2, and that's 2 grapefruit, 2 oranges, 2 lemons. And then I have another ingredient that I'm gonna throw in there. So let's just start with that. I've already washed them, and I'm just going to cut the edges and go on down the sides. I'm not using a peeler, I'm gonna do this with a knife. But what I'm trying to do is get as much of the white pithy part as possible, because you have a lot of soluble fiber in that white pithy part of your citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a good source of pectin and soluble fiber, and that's good for helping to have better glucose, blood glucose control, or blood sugar control. Okay. There's no particular way you need to do it. And as I see seeds, I'll get rid of them. And then I'll just put them in the pot, because we're going to cut these up and put it in the pot and cook it. Good concoction. You can keep it in the refrigerator for several days. I'm going to go with 2 lemons, and the same thing. I'm going to get as much of that white pithy part as I can, just cutting off the skin, the outer. Citrus fruits are powerful antioxidants, and when I say antioxidant, these are substances that are found in plant food that help us and help to protect our cells from being easily damaged or destroyed. Healthy cells, healthy you. And I'm gonna cook it for about 20-30 minutes. The grapefruit that I'm gonna cut, the outer part, try to get as much as the white pithy part as possible. And again, that way I can get that white pithy part that I really like. Properties, our main healing goal should be to use more of the fresh fruits and vegetables that are provided for us, because they have healing properties that you're not going to get in a lot of other chemicals or substances, and or there may be side effects if you do that, whereas there are no side effects unless you have a citrus allergy. You know, and you may say, well, why can't you just get the juice and you don't have to do all that cutting? Juice is fine, but for some people, too much juice can add a lot of calories, and some people are trying to cut back on calories, and so you need a number of oranges in order to get a tall glass of orange juice. Plus, these segments in the orange are important fibrous material in here, and just like I said, it can help for a number of things: lowering your cholesterol, reducing chances for heart disease. It can help with better blood sugar and or blood glucose control. And it tastes good. The smell of it is it's like a healing property just in smelling the beautiful citrus smell. There's another ingredient, and I use an herbal tea, and you can go with either decaf green tea, I prefer decaf, and or a lemon ginger. This is an organic lemon ginger. You can use echinacea or golden seal. I think I'm gonna go with, for today, that lemon ginger. Ginger is good it contains a powerful antioxidant. And again, those antioxidants help to protect your cells from being easily destroyed or damaged. And that's what we want. So I've got about, and I've steeped this for a while, but I've got about a half a cup of that lemon ginger. And I'm going to add that to the pot. But I've got this natural wildflower honey that I'm using, or you can use I prefer the raw natural honey, and some of the other honey, they add a lot of sugar to it, but I like the thick, almost original, versus you see the bee buzzing in there. That's how much of original I like. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of this. We're going to turn it on low and cook it for about 30 minutes. Well, thanks for watching. And we have a number of shows lined up, and we don't want you to miss anything. So please subscribe. I will post weekly shows Mondays and Wednesdays, and those shows would encompass addressing health issues, ways to eat better, and emotional and spiritual well-being. So we want you to be a part of the community. So please subscribe.